Hello, it's DMV Test Buddy again. Often, when there is roadwork on the road, it confuses many drivers, not just newbies, especially if we see temporary markings. Let's try to check how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. Which driver has the right of way in the situation shown? Option A, gray car. Option B, black car. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's figure it out. To determine who is obliged to give way, we will need to analyze the picture with the task in more detail. First of all, we note that the driver of the gray car is moving in the left lane and the driver of the black one is moving in the right. To the right of them, on the side of the road, there is a road sign, roadworks. Ahead, in front of the obstacle, there is another sign, bypass the obstacle on the left. The traffic lanes are separated by the main broken white line, and there is also an orange temporary line. In cases where the temporary lines and the permanent lines contradict each other, drivers must follow the temporary lines. Based on the above, we can conclude that in the situation shown, the driver of the black car will continue to move in his lane, while the driver of the gray car changes lanes. According to the rule, when changing lanes, the driver must give way to vehicles moving in the same direction without changing the direction of travel. This means that it is the driver of the gray car who is obliged to give way to the black car. Accordingly, the correct answer to problem B. Congratulations if you chose it. So, confess, who of you quickly answered correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.